What's going on, guys? So today it's opening day for dove season and we are cleaning these doves. We just killed a one-man limit, 15 dove, and I'm going to show you guys how we do this. So what I've been doing is step one, that way when you have a lot of doves, I just like to get one step done first and I can go to the next step. So first step is this right here. First step, so you have your dove right here. Okay, so just keep doing this. Doesn't take too long. We're saving the feathers for to make a dummy for a duck, for a hunting dog. But anyways, just take the feathers, and then what you're gonna want to do is find the skin on the breast, tear it up, tear it off, and then just peel it back. It's nice and easy. Now you have all the feathers, all the skin off of the breast. Alright, so the next step I like to do, I'm going to do all of these, but I'm just going to do this to show you. Next step I like to do is go over here, pull the tail feather off. We're going to save that. Then I like to get your game shears, cut the wings off. Careful not to cut yourself. And then what you're gonna do is right here, you're gonna feel this bone right here, and you're gonna go right underneath it and separate the two pieces. Now all the guts are gonna come on one hand and the breast is gonna come on the other. And then you just peel back, grab the neck of the bird and just peel back, pull it out, throw that away, and then all you're left with is the breast. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys one more time. This side has a little better lighting, so you're going to pull the tail feathers off. They pull right off. You're going to get your game shears, cut as close as you can to the feather, cut the feather off. Cut the feather off. Then again, you're gonna find that's the breastbone. Go underneath that. Stick your thumb in there, separate everything. Grab, here's the bird's neck and head. Grab that, pull it off. And there you go. You're gonna have some feathers left on there. You just pluck those suckers off. But there you go. There's your breast.